Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, meeting up with a couple friends, some of which you've seen on the channel before. If I sound out of breath right now, I'm sorry. Just had to push this bike, man. The battery was dead. It sucked. But I got her running now. We're good to go, I hope. Anyway, today we're headed down to San Juan Capistrano, but first we're going to see Bob below. Heard he's got something special for us. Oh, hello. Let's do the 91. Be good to her. Hopefully she starts every time today. Fine place for a nap.
Did you find Caleb in the bushes?
It's his descendant. Tango, my man, how are you?
Good, buddy. Yourself?
I'm all right. Thanks for asking. Neiko, good to see you again, sir. Neiko, I tasked you with today's destination. Once again, I like the pizza port place so much that I figured you got some other bangers in mind. Where are we going today?
Heritage Barbecue down in San Juan.
Barbecue. Barbecue sounds expensive. Are you a rich man?
No.
No, this place sounds legit. And I went on Yelp in the keyword search for the reviews. I typed in expensive. Everybody complained about how expensive it was, but after they complained about it, they said it's so worth it. What do you normally get when you go?
I like pulled pork, yeah.
Right on. What about you, Tango?
Burnt ends.
Burnt ends.
But they don't have them all the time. You have to be there early and...
Oh, so you're familiar with this place too? I've never been. Before we get on our way, I want to go see Bob. Bob's got something special for us. Please start, please start, please start. Let's do it. Oh, shit. Barbecue. I don't get barbecue that often on the channel, but when I do, it's always good. The place we're going to, Heritage in San Juan Capistrano, looks legit. They don't even advertise their closing hours, really, because they run out of food, and once they run out of meat, they just close the doors. The other thing I'm excited about, Bob ordered us a special kind of soda. Some of you guys that have been with me since early on in the channel, it's going to bring back some memories. Let's pull out the old slurp cam and see what we get. Whatever, I'm stuck. Neiko, 50 bucks. Take a shot of this water. All right. Good, how about you? Bob below, my buddy. What do we got today? Nothing there. Nothing there. Bob's running light today. Will you check his cock? Oh, man. Ah, well. Well, Bob below, I know your pockets are empty, but you got something in the cooler for me. Let's get it. Yes. I've been waiting so long for this. We're doing it. You don't even know.
Cucumber soda?
Yeah, trust me, man. Trust me. Canyon candles. Seriously, these things smell so good. Are you into candles?
No, I'm into stamps.
Stamps. Oh, you bought them? Yep. Hey. Neiko, Mr. Q, cucumber soda, what'd you think?
I will not be getting that cucumber soda again.
What?
I was not a fan of it.
You didn't like it?
No.
What didn't you like about it?
I like cucumbers in the natural form where you can eat them, not drink them.
You're dead to me. Cucumber soda, what'd you think?
I liked it.
Legit?
Refreshing.
He just said he hated it. I mean, at first it's a little weird, but it kicks in and it becomes refreshing and good, right?
Very summertime.
Very summer. You guys that come into the Trabuco General Store, get in there, try the Mr. Cucumber soda. Let me know what you think. I think you'll like it. Neiko and his turn signal. Let's see how long he keeps it on. To the line? Don't spin, don't spin. San Juan Capistrano. I like this spot. Before COVID, I used to come down here and hang. There it is, Heritage Barbecue. Look at the line. Holy shit. There's a line.
Oh, that's a bone right there.
It's a rib.
Oh,
First time you
I didn't think it was a rib.
Neiko, your spot, Heritage Barbecue. Pricey but good.
It was spendy.
You got half a chicken, some Mexican sparkling water. What'd you
It was
think?
good. Definitely good. I would get it again.
All right, Tango, what'd you get? Burnt tips and mac and cheese.
Burnt ends.
Burnt
Big
ends.
difference between a
No,
burnt
you don't
tip
want a
and
burnt
burnt end.
You've had this before. Is that what you get every time?
Yeah, so far.
I got half chicken. I got the pork spare ribs, some macaroni and cheese, and a water. Came out to about $48. That's $13 more than I expected to pay today. I thought it was going to be about a $30, $35 day. I've been mistaken. It's a lot of food. It's really good. Will I be back?
Take out a lot.
Special occasion. Might have to put it on the credit card, the Amex, get the miles out of it, but it's a good spot. If somebody from out of town wanted to go hit some barbecue, I'd definitely take them to this spot. Some good Texas barbecue.
There was a guy there from Texas, had his friends there,
Yeah.
that was saying that this is just as good or better than any Texas barbecue he's had, but he said the same thing. It was super expensive.
So anybody that's watching this video looking for a good barbecue joint, South OC, check it out. Convince your friend to pay though.
Take out a loan.
White line race them. That was a good white line race you had, by the way.
She does a wheelie now and then.
Did you cheat a little bit though?
I just had the drop. I was watching the light.
We're gonna have to review that footage.